I decided to pull out some fall colors today and make something that's very simple, but something that's a little bit more fallish today. So I'm using the Layering Leaves stamp set, and one of the things that I love about this stamp set is that it matches perfectly with our Bough Punch. And the Bough Punch I use all the time, actually, without even using stamps with it. But these are the stamps that actually match it. Now that Greetings of the Season die set is brand new. It's one of the online exclusives, and it has the greatest tags in it that will be super, super useful. I'm going to really, really enjoy it. Now see how that punch just matches up those stamps just perfectly? So I stamped several different images, and then I'm also punching out some of the little filler stamps there. And then we're going to layer up the greeting with all these different leaves. Now look at how these colors go together. They're really, really pretty. That wild wheat, and then the early espresso, and then the garden green. And it goes perfectly with this designer series paper that I'm going to use. So that's pretty much it. We're just going to layer it onto the paper, and that's going to be it. I will have all the measurements and the links to everything. You can go to my website at madetocreatewithlisa.com, and you can see everything on there up close and personal. And I hope you enjoy this idea. I think that you could do it with florals, and you could make the greenery like some brighter, lighter greenery, like some of the pastel greens, and make it brighter and lighter for the summer or the spring. And it would also be really pretty. Look how great that looks. I love it. So I hope you enjoy this one. Thanks so much for following along. I hope that you will leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Let me know if you like this punch. It's really, honestly, one of my favorites, and I use it all the time. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you again soon.